everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to edit a PDF in Microsoft Word, and you might be wondering, why are we doing this? Because me, probably like you too, have been looking for PDF editors, downloading the free ones from the Microsoft Store, and only finding out that to do the feature you wanted to do, you gotta pay $10 a month, and it does get very annoying. But I figured out a way to do this in Microsoft Word for free if you're a Microsoft 365 holder. There's no extra stuff you have to pay for. So there are three things you have to do. So the first thing is to enable Microsoft Word and default settings. So what you're going to want to do is hit your start menu down here, or press the start menu key, and then you're going to search for default apps. And once this comes up, you're going to want to hit open. It will open up in your settings, and then what you're going to want to do is hit up here for enter a file type or link type, and you're going to type in .pdf. You're going to click on it, and then right here you're going to click on this box. Mine's set to Word right now because I've already done this before, but for you, yours might be set to a browser, but if your Microsoft Word's going to be somewhere down here, but you're going to want to click on that. It's going to look like this. So you're going to click hit and hit set default. So bam, there you go. So there is one other way to do that if you don't want to set it as default for some reason. So what you can do is you can search for your PDF. I have mine up right here. You can right click on it and then hit open with, and for you, Microsoft Word will be up here in this row, but it's not for me because I've already set it to default. So when Microsoft Word's up there, you're going to want to click that. So we are going to open this PDF up with Microsoft Word right now. So I'm going to double click, it's going to open up Microsoft Word. This dialog box is going to come up. That's why I say give dialog permission up here, because it says Word will convert your PDF to editable Word document. This may take a while. The document will be optimized to edit the text. It might look exactly like the original because it's a different encoding and format, so you can hit don't show this again if you're okay with that, and you can hit OK, and it will take a bit, and bam, it'll open up your PDF in Microsoft Word. So what you're going to do is it'll make something like this text box. You can delete that, you can highlight the text, do that, and do anything you want to PDF.